Hello everyone. Welcome to Isma Speaks English. If you want to improve your English, you are in the right place. Today we will practice English by listening. You don't need to repeat. Just relax and listen carefully. Listening every day will help you understand English better. Slowly, speaking will become easier for you. Many people ask, how can I speak English fluently? The answer is simple. You must listen to English daily. Listening helps your brain learn sentence structure, pronunciation, and natural expressions. When children learn a language, they listen first. They listen again and again. After some time, they start speaking naturally. You can learn English the same way. Some people feel shy when they speak English. They are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when learning something new. The important thing is to keep going. If you listen to English every day, your confidence will grow. At first you may not understand everything. That is okay. Just keep listening. Try to listen while doing daily activities. You can listen while cooking. You can listen while walking. You can listen before sleeping. Little by little, your understanding will improve. You don't need difficult English. Simple English is enough. Real English is short, clear, and natural. For example, instead of saying long sentences, people often say simple things like, I'm tired. That sounds good. I don't know. Let's see. These small sentences are very powerful. When you listen to them again and again, they stay in your mind. Then one day, you start using them naturally. Learning English is not a race. Go at your own pace. Be patient with yourself. Every day of listening is one step forward. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Consistency is more important than perfection. If you are listening to this podcast right now, you are already improving. You are training your ears. You are training your mind. And soon, you will train your voice. Remember one thing. You don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to start. Thank you for listening to Isma Speaks English. If you like this listening practice, follow this channel for daily English podcasts. Keep listening, keep learning, keep improving.